I wanted to see if I could make money on YouTube before YouTube ever paid me. No AdSense, no face, no viral videos, just a weird little business channel and a plan to cheat the system. But there was a problem. Everyone says you need 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours. They say you have to wait for ads, but what if they're wrong? I've made over $250,000 on YouTube. No AdSense, no big channel, no face. So today, I'm running an experiment. Can I cheat YouTube monetization with a faceless business storytelling channel? Let's find out. But first, I needed a niche that could make money before YouTube ever paid me. So I started looking at one of the most profitable YouTube niches nobody talks about: business storytelling. You know those channels that break down how companies rise, fall, or make weird decisions? People love them, and they're always searching for the next big business drama. So I opened NextLev. It's basically a cheat code for YouTube research. If you want to see the same data I'm looking at, the link's in the description. I typed in Company Man, and what I saw was wild. Company Man's channel is pulling in nearly 1 million views every month. His RPM? Decent for early in the year, $5 per 1,000 views. I took a screenshot. Here's the proof. Then I checked another channel, Moon. Same story. Lower RPM than expected, but massive views, big revenue. But here's the catch. Even with those numbers, most of their money is still coming from AdSense. That's good, but it's also risky. If YouTube ever demonetizes you, you're toast. So I wanted to see if I could do better by stacking affiliate offers and digital products on top. I needed 3 things: a story, a product, and a way to make the video without showing my face. The story was easy. People love disaster. The bigger the fail, the better. So I wrote down ideas. How one ad destroyed a billion-dollar brand. The $5 mistake that bankrupted a startup. Why this company lost $1 billion overnight. But then something weird happened. I realized I needed a product that actually helps business owners. No fake gurus, no get-rich-quick. So I picked Morning Brew's Business Essentials Accelerator. It's a real business course. They pay $160 to $480 for every sale. Now for the tools. ChatGPT for the script, Pictory for the video, 11 Labs for the voice, Canva for the thumbnail. No face, no camera, no problem. I made the video. It took about 2 hours. I uploaded it. Title: How One Ad Destroyed a Billion-Dollar Brand. Description: quick summary, affiliate link for the course. Then I waited. Nothing happened. A few views, no clicks, no sales. This is where things got interesting. I checked my analytics. People were leaving after 30 seconds. My intro was too slow, so I cut the first 20 seconds, re-uploaded, still nothing. Then I looked at my thumbnail. It was boring. Brighter colors, bigger text, more drama. I posted again, shared it in a business Facebook group, dropped it on Reddit. And then, finally, something happened. A comment. This is actually really interesting. Subscribed. Then another. Where can I learn more about this? I checked my affiliate dashboard. 1 click, then 2, then 5, but still no sales. I started to wonder if this was all a waste of time. So I doubled down. I made a second video. The $5 mistake that bankrupted a startup. Same process. Script, Pictory, 11 Labs, Canva, upload. This time, I added more personality. A joke about eating ramen. A story about a business owner who lost everything because of a typo. I posted the video, and then the next morning, I checked my dashboard. 1 sale, then another. I did a little dance in my kitchen. My cat was not impressed, but there was a twist. The sales didn't come from the video with the most views. They came from the video with the best story. Turns out, people don't just want facts. They want drama. They want to feel something. So I made a third video. This time, I focused on a company everyone knows. I teased the ending. I left a cliffhanger in the middle. And guess what? The watch time shot up. People started sharing it. I got a DM from someone who said, "I bought the course because your video made me realize how much I didn't know." That's when I realized something. You don't need 1 million views. You just need the right people to watch. But there was another problem. I started getting emails from people asking for more. They wanted templates. They wanted scripts. They wanted to know how I did it. So I made a simple PDF guide. I sold it for $17. People bought it. Now, I was making money from affiliate sales and my own product. All from a faceless channel. All before YouTube ever paid me a cent. But I wanted to push it further. I wondered, what if I tried a live stream? Could I sell even more? So I set up a faceless live stream. No camera, just slides and my AI voice. I told the story of a company that lost everything in one night. At the end, I dropped my affiliate link and my PDF guide. The chat went wild. People asked questions. A few even bought the guide live. I checked my dashboard after the stream. 3 more sales. Not bad for a faceless stream. Let's talk money math, because I love money math, and I hope you do too. If 2% click and 5% buy, and the course pays $160 per sale, that's $16,000 from one video with 100 sales. If you get 10,000 views, that's still 200 clicks, 10 sales, and $1,600. And if you get lucky, maybe you make an extra $20 from AdSense. But honestly, that's just icing on the cake. Even if YouTube demonetizes you, you're still making real money. That's the power of business storytelling with smart monetization. But there was one more thing I noticed. The more I posted, the more YouTube started to recommend my videos. Not to everyone, but to the right people. People who wanted to learn, people who wanted to buy. I realized I didn't need to go viral. I just needed to be consistent. So I set a goal. 1 video a week, every week, no matter what. Some weeks I got 100 views, other weeks 10,000. But every week I got a few more clicks, a few more sales, and it started to add up. So, did I cheat YouTube monetization? Yeah, I did. I made money before I ever got a single AdSense dollar. And you can too. Most creators are chasing the wrong money. They wait for ads, but the real money is in what you sell, not what YouTube pays you. You don't need a big channel. You don't need to show your face. You just need a story, a system, and a product people actually want. If you want to see me try this experiment in another niche, let me know in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe. This experiment was hard, so hype it up if you want more. And if you want to shortcut this whole process, get new niches and strategies every week, and skip the trial and error, check out Dave Nick's Online Business Club. That's where I get a lot of these ideas, and it's the fastest way to build a channel that actually pays. No face, no ads, no waiting. Just real money from real business storytelling. Next time, I'm trying a completely different niche to see if this still works. See you in the next experiment.